We are going to write data from a Python program to a text file. First, I have created a format of a shopping bill in the text file called bill. Then I create a Python code as below. First, I append the text file bill to append the data. Then I assign 0 to a variable called tot, because I want that variable to be updated throughout the program is running. I wanted to make the bill according to the number of items that the customer buy. So I requested the user to enter a variable to terminate or continue the loop. The loop set to run if the variable no is not equal to 0. Inside the loop I set codes to read item no, item quantity and item price. Then the net price is calculated and the tot is updated. A new variable called data is used to assign a string to be used to update the text file as this. At each repetition this string should be written on the text file. Finally, when the repetition is over the total is written on the bill in this way.